Morning, Deeves. It's the 4th. We haven't actually opened any of our doors except for day 1. So we've got 3 to open. You open yours? I can see your ass. Number 2 is it Santa? It is Santa. I love chocolate first thing in the morning. Number 3 is the snowman. Are yours all the same? Have you been looking at them? No. You look like Gollum. Number 4 is also a snowman. Oh. That means it's only 21 days to go. 21 days for Christmas. Let's open the curtains. Mr. Skez has left his pizza box here. And your nice battery on our chopping board. Keep that. What a glorious day. Beautiful day. I'm going to have a bit of cereal. Lucas's cereal. Do I care? No. Am I going to apologise? No. Because he's being miserable. Do you want a cup of tea? Better come and get one. Better come and get it. Because you just sat there and called me tight and then said that you don't care about my Spotify Wrapped. Off on a run, Deeves. So I've got to post my Christmas cards because I couldn't do it yesterday because the postman said they would do me. Or to find the newsagents from. And then I'm going to go back home, shower, get ready, hit the beach. Because it's a beautiful day. We need to do laundry as well, but something smells unreal. We're not allowed to do our laundry until like 10 AM, so we'll have to do that later. But I'm just off on my run. Hopefully I do a 5k, but we'll see. Done my run for a second. Firstly, I went to the post office to pick up my road blush that I ordered. I thought I ordered Toasted Teddy. That's not Toasted Teddy, so I'm in a bad mood about that. But what the hell? This is where I live. This is where I'm going on my run. I've not even done a kilometre and I've stopped already. I'm sat on the bench. CBA. But this is where I live. This is crazy. And let me show you. It probably looks like Europe. Looks like Lake Como. Let me show you. These. Oh my gosh, sorry. Look at that. What? That's really Lake Como. Yeah, a bit devo about my blush. Although it still looks like a nice shade. I don't know if you can even see it. I just wanted the Toasted Teddy one. And then I went onto the website that I bought it from. They don't even do road anymore. What? Anyway, just sent all my Christmas cards to the family as well. That cost me $27. The woman in the post office was so rude. But it's hot. It's like only just gone 9, half 9 maybe. I'm gonna try and do 3k. I really can't be asked. I think I'm gonna run like up to Darling Point and then back. Oh my god, there's dogs behind me. Hi. And then I'm gonna go to the beach. So that's the plan. Stop being lazy, let's just go. We're just at the bus stop. I've done Alexa's sunglasses for today. Weird. I've also got my new road blush on, which you can't even see on the camera. What the hell? Does it look like I've got heaps on in real life? Yeah. Okay. Camera doesn't pick it up. We're off to Camp Cove Beach today. So we're just at the bus stop. Full transparency, I didn't do any more of my run. I don't think I even did 2 kilometres, but in fairness to me, my phone died and I didn't have any other way of getting back in the house unless Lucas let me in. So I had to go home, but I think, is this our bus? Yes it is! Let's go. Well, that's our bus. Yeah, 325. Found, do we reckon it's a viewpoint? We found a viewpoint. Lucas is making me go to, I want to go to the beach. And he's not letting me. Do you reckon it's going to be cool? I can see the sea, so you can see me. Oh, it's like a proper, like a walk. It's like Beachy Head. Cool.
You walk through the park to get to the beach?
What park?
Park.
Park?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Swag. Look at the view of the city. I'm just going to... Isn't it awesome? Look at this. That is so epic. The city. Stupid buses in the way. Ugh. Awesome. Love it. This way or that way?
That way.
Up all the stairs?
Yeah.
Oh. It's like a proper hike.
It's cool. I'm on the hunt for a snake.
Oh yeah.
And a spider.
I mean, you're not pointing it at me.
Oh, sorry.
I'm pointing at the floor, you fool. Look how gorgeous this is. Super pretty. Mr. Vlogger.
I keep doing this.
Where is it? Is it dead?
No, I just won't move.
I can't see it. Oh, it's there.
Duh.
Lithered. Basking in the sun. That's what I should be doing on the beach. Steve's lunchtime ham and cheese toasty. This looks banging actually. Oh no, it's a ham and cheese croissant. Oh, cheese pull on that. Not like a croissant at all. So good. Are you having a good day at the beach?
Yeah.
Maybe, me too. burning. Obviously just had a shower. I've not caught the sun at all today. Lucas is perished. Burnt to a crisp. We've just got a Johnny Geo's. Oh my god, actually don't look at the flat. I've got laundry everywhere. This is the vibes. Watching Stranger Things. I'm just going to sign off on today's vlog. Vlogmas day 4. Gorgeous beach day. Camp Cove is lush. Want to go back. But yeah, Lucas is extremely burnt.
Show my skin cancer.
Yeah.
I don't think it look that bad in that.
Does it not look that bad on camera? You've got to get your squashy little show a bit of skin. I didn't catch the sun at all, but yeah, we've just got a Johnny Geo's. Just gonna chill. Stranger Things. I wanted to do a Christmas film, but it seems I've been pushed aside. But I'm just gonna say goodnight. Tarami loves. See you tomorrow. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to?